Meghalaya government today held an emergent meeting to discuss the preparations for the severe Remal cyclone which is moving towards northeast. Speaking to media persons, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the Deputy Commissioners have been directed to take every action to prepare the administration while dealing with the severe cyclone. He said that vulnerable areas have been identified and direction have been issued to Power, Fire and Emergency Service, PWD and Forest Department to be on alert and attend to any emergencies. Following the weather report, the Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi Hills District have issued a notification to all the schools of the district to remain closed tomorrow.
In the state, we are fully prepared. Yes, maybe few districts will be vulnerable, but that also we have instructed to all the district administration, all of them equally, not only to one district or two districts as I said to you, but all districts. We have instructed all the deputy commissioners to be more vigilant and also to be in the active mode fully. So now, of course, few stretches we have identified those vulnerable flooded area, and maybe when the monsoon is ended, from the PUD side, jointly with the Urban Affairs Department as well as with the Shillong Municipal Board, we will take appropriate action.